All right, y'all, so let's get right into the video. The wig that I'm going to be using is from Mega Look Hair. They sent me this hair and sponsored this video. It is a 24-inch body wave wig with 13x6 transparent lace balayage, okay? So this is how the wig looked right out of the package that they sent, and I'm gonna go ahead and get right into customizing. So I did bleach the knots on this wig just for a more realistic look, and I also did some plucking to make the hairline look a little bit more natural. Next, I'm just using my EAP Heat flat iron to add some curls to the wig. For my ball cap method, I'm using the Eva New York Wonder Lace Bond spray. So I'm just spraying it all around the hairline, then blowing it dry to speed up the process. So once all that is dry and cut out of the way, then I'm going to add my foundation to the wig cap so that it blends more with my natural skin tone. So jumping right into the install, the first thing I'm going to do is cut off the ear tabs and create little slits in my lace so that it will be easy for the application process. The glue that I'm using for install is the Eva New York Wonder Lace Bond Lace Wig Adhesive, extra mega hold. And there's nothing special about this glue. I just like it because it is latex free. I've used multiple glues and I still have not found a favorite. If you do have a glue that you swear by, has different results and stands out from the rest, then drop them in the comments down below. So after I remove all the lace, the next thing I'm going to do is prep for my baby hair. So I'm just going to section off even pieces on both sides of my head. So once I get all the pieces sectioned out, then I'm just going to take some setting foam and I'm going to put that all around the hairline to get rid of any ashiness and just help melt it into the skin. Then I'm going to set it with an elastic band. So I left the elastic band on for about an hour while I did my makeup. Now I'm just going to trim down my baby hairs and then curl them with a mini flat iron so I can get ready to mold them into place. And the last and final thing that I'm going to do to bring the look into place is to take this temporary hair color spray by Kiss, and I'm going to kind of spray that over the part to kind of fix any areas where the knots were over bleached and then to make the part look a little bit more crisp. And this is the finished complete look. I did add a braid on the side because that is the trending look right now and I just think it is so cute. But let me know if y'all have any questions, leave your comments down below, and of course, thank you so much for watching.